Peace be with you. In the 11th chapter of Quran, Surah Hud, verses 9 through 11, God tells us something about the tendencies of human beings, tendencies of all of us. And this applies to all human beings, and then how to fix it. In the 9th verse, God says, and if we make a man, an insan, a human being, taste mercy from us, and take it away from him, most surely he is despairing and ungrateful. Let's say God gives you wealth, and then somehow you lose that wealth, right? You're going to be despairing. I'm going to be despairing. All of us are despairing, and many of us become ungrateful, even say, why is God doing this to me, right? That is a tendency that we all have as human beings. Then in the 10th verse, God says, and if we make him taste a favor after distress has afflicted him, after hardship, he will certainly say, the evils are gone away from me. Most surely he is exulting and boastful, right? You have a poor man, he may have worked hard, became wealthy, and what is his tendency? To display his wealth. He's posting Lambos and airplanes and watches on Instagram and talking about how rich he is, and that is also a tendency that we are all predisposed to as human beings. And then God tells us how to fix it. Who doesn't do this? God says in the 11th verse, except those who are patient and do good, they will have forgiveness and a greater reward. So God says all human beings are predisposed to do this, except those who are patient and do good. So what that says is, when hardship hits you, what you are supposed to be is patient and not despairing and not ungrateful. Patient. We're supposed to say, thank you, God, for letting me live this long in ease, and be patient. And what happens, what should we do when God gives us plenty? We should do good. God says, accept those who are patient and do good. So when God has given you a lot, your job is to do good, to help your family, to help your surroundings, to do good in this world, because it's just a test. It's just God has given you to see how you do. Wealth and poverty are a test. And our tendencies as human beings, unthinking human beings, is to either despair when bad happens or be ungrateful and proud when good happens. And God says, no. That is not the right course of action. This is what you should do. When it's hard, be patient, and when it's good, then do good. That is the lesson of the Quran. Peace be with you.